Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to insert an SD card into a device easily. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. If you have an SD card like this and you need to insert it into a device, it is actually really easy to do, okay? So first and foremost, you need to look at the SD card, and instead of looking at the face of it, you want to look at the back of it. You're going to notice that one part of the back is going to be like a solid plastic, and the other part is going to have these exposed contacts. The part with the exposed contacts is almost always going to be the part that gets inserted in towards the device. So essentially, this is the device right here that I will be inserting the SD card into, this camera right here. And essentially, I'm inserting the contacts first. So I'm going to turn this around like this, and I'm inserting the contacts first. Now you'll notice that if you try and put it in and it doesn't go in easily, it's the wrong way. SD cards are designed so that you can only go in one orientation. I don't even know what an SD card stands for, to be honest with you. I just thought about that now. I was gonna tell you SD card stands for whatever, but I honestly don't even know the answer. So I think it's probably maybe storage disk. I could be wrong, but something like that. I'm just gonna take a guess at that. If you know what it stands for, comment below because I have no clue. Sorry, I should have looked it up before. It just didn't occur to me. Anyways, it should go in easily and smoothly. If it's not going in easily, it's the wrong way. So still with the contacts facing down, spin it around, and then try it the other way. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna push it down. I'll show you as I push it down from this view over here, what it looks like. I'm gonna push it down and it's gonna click in place and stay in place. So listen closely. Just like that. And as you can see, it stays in place. So SD cards have a little a mechanism on them that when you click them down, they stay in place. And to remove the SD card, you push it down and it pops up. And then you can remove it. Once again, from having it removed, you can put it in place. If it slides in easily, it's in the correct way. Contacts facing down, of course, and just click it down and release. Just like that, and the SD card is in there properly. That's it. That is how to insert an SD card into a device easily, a step-by-step tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.